I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot German potato salad. First, choose about 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, such as Yukon Golds or red potatoes, as they hold their shape well. Boil them in their skins until they are tender, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, peel them while still warm and slice them into quarter-inch thick rounds. This warmth helps them absorb the delicious dressing. Next, let's get that essential smoky flavor. Cook 6 to 8 slices of bacon in a large skillet until they are wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, crumble it, and set it aside for later. Crucially, leave about 1/4 cup of the rendered bacon fat in the pan. This flavorful fat is key. Now, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion to the pan and sauté it in the bacon fat until it becomes soft and translucent. Now for the star of the show, the tangy dressing. In the same skillet with the sautéed onions, whisk together the reserved bacon fat, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat for about 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm, flavorful dressing over your sliced potatoes and sautéed onions in a large bowl. Gently toss everything until the potatoes are thoroughly coated with that delicious, tangy sauce. Just before serving, fold in the crumbled, crispy bacon. This salad is best enjoyed warm, so serve it immediately and savor every bite of this classic dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.